Hello children, today we are meeting again and we are going to read a lot of things, many interesting things. Today you have already finished learning about letter writing, official letter, personal letter, and we are going to take it one step further. We are going to read now telegram, email, advertisement, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of things that is absolutely essential. You may think that reading English is only about reading prose, poetry or short story, but what is more important is the communication aspect of the language learning, English language learning. So we are going to read these aspects, these official aspects that we cannot do without. You can do without maybe food or water, but you cannot do without language. And this language will come to you in different forms. The first thing that we are going to learn today is about telegram. Indian, have you heard the word telegram? Okay. We are going to know first you are going to know about Indian Post and Telegram. This belongs to Indian Post and Telegram Department. So there is an office, you must know that there is a post office and post office, okay, official office, and you go there and you can get a lot of messages sent. And initially when the telephone system was not that cheap or improved, and secondly when there was no computer, then telegram was very important at that time. But till now we learn how to write telegram, because the essence of telegram writing is in its brevity. What is brevity? The short, very shortly and within a very short number of words and within a short space, words, you can convey your message. And this brevity is going to help a person in his life. So even if the telegram department is no longer in existence, writing a telegram is essential for us. Learning to write a telegram is essential for us, because that way we can understand brevity of language. Okay, the first thing about telegram. So what are the essential aspects of write a telegram? So you have seen how to write a letter. The same way you have to write first the name. Whose name are you going to write? You are going to write the name of the person who is going to receive the letter. Okay. So you are going to write the name of the receiver first, and secondly his address. His address, what is going to be his address? X, Y, Z, maybe say Cuttack, and then you write XYZ, the name of the place, like Tulsipur or something like that, and the district is Cuttack. So you have to write the address next. And third is the telephone number. Why should you write the telephone number? Because if there is any kind of a miss somewhere, the telegraph office will catch it. So the number is 816704 something. Okay, something like that. You have to write the telephone number. And next, then you have to write pin over here. Okay, So that is the format that you have to produce. And then comes the thing that you have to write. That is another important thing. If there is no subject matter, why should you send a telegram? People used to send a telegram when there was absolute necessity for that. A quick message had to be sent. Generally, the moment, amo age re, the moment in our younger age, tamane, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିଦେଉଥିଲୁ ଆମେ ଡରି ଯାଉଥିଲୁ because it generally used to carry bad messages. So and so dead, come soon, something like that. Okay, so the message you have to write. Okay, book. ଏବେ ତ ଆଉ ତୁମ ଡରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ଖୁସିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖ ଯେ book a room for me. Instead of ringing up the hotel where you want to stay in Manali. Supposing you want to go to Manali and you want to book a hotel over there, then you say that book 2 bed. You need not write 2 bed room. You need not write room even, 2 bed. Okay, 30th, then 12 a.m. Okay, so 30th, supposing September, you have to write that. So what is the essence of writing a telegram is this, that it has to be very brief. Brevity is brief. Very briefly you give the message. Okay, so if you have to give very briefly the message, then there has to be certain rule that you have to follow. First thing is this, you need not write. ता माने नुहे जे तुम लिखिबो नाही, किंतु न लिखिले भलो, कारण you have to pay for each word. That is why we generally delete, ता माने remove करि दउ कोन कोन जिनिस ना preposition, article माने कोन जानि छ, a and the preposition गुडा को remove कर दबो, and connectors गुडा को, connector माने कोन जानि छ, connector माने and also a type of different type of ए सब जिनिस that grammatical words गुडा को you can remove. You keep only content words. Keep only content words. The words that are essential to send a message. Okay. So the message is that you are going on 30th September to Manali, and you are asking the manager of that Manali X hotel to book a room for you. So you need not write sir, keep, kindly, please, etc., etc. Delete all these things. You straight go to you write the address of the person you are sending the message to, and the telephone number of that place, and then you come to the message, and the messages are written in capital letters. Capital letter kon janicha ta? Of course, all of us know that. Capital letter and small letter. Capital letter re tame lekhibo, tomar jo message guda ko achi seta ko tume capital letter lekhibo, and there is no necessity to be grammatical. You have to use correct word. Nohale meaning da gondogol hai jai pare. Correct word use karo. The words should be written in capital letters, and you need not write all these grammatical terms like articles, prepositions, connector, and all these things. You need not write. You just go to the point and write. Come soon. Raining heavily. Come soon. Or something like that. You want to send an urgent message, and you need not write. No, should not write. You should not write any grammatical words, and that is what it is all about. The telegram was a very important aspect of our life when we were young, and it is also important for you people for examination point of view, from examination point of view, number one, and number two is this, that you have to learn how to write very short, within very short limited words, and give your message, write your message correctly, project your message correctly. That is the important thing about telegram, learning to write a telegram. Excuse me. And the next thing that we have to know, learn today. Today we are reading everything about all these important aspects of our life, the day-to-day life, like letter writing, application writing, telegram writing, email writing, and all these aspects. When you are learning a language, you can always ask, what is the use of learning a language? Language is for the purpose of communication, and you have to communicate in different aspects of your life for different actions. And one of the important actions is to send your message. You are the sender, and the receiver will receive the message, and the sender and receiver connectivity. The connectivity between the sender and messenger should not snap. If it snaps, then the message gets confusing. So, but when you are thinking about messages, there are different types of messages, not only application and letter. I have already discussed telegram. And the next thing is notice. How to write a notice. Notice माने तुम्हें कौन जाने चा? Notice माने धर मानी करो तमें माने कॉलेज इलेक्शन एबे बोधे कॉलेज इलेक्शन नहीं आ वर्ष खंडे आगुर कॉलेज इलेक्शन थिला कॉलेज इलेक्शन रे जने जितिला एंड ही बिकम्स द प्रेसिडेंट और द सेक्रेटरी और द ड्रामेटिक सेक्रेटरी और समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड यू वांट टू होल्ड a congregation, you want to celebrate a particular occasion. This particular occasion may be the annual day, and for that annual day you want to inform the principal. College ro head hochun the principal. Without informing the principal, you cannot hold any celebration or any actions over there. So you have to tell the principal, take his permission, and then type a notice. और ए notice टा लेखिकरी 5-10 कॉपी करिकरी different notice board रे लेखाई थिबो तमे निश्चय जानि थिबो हमर notice board गुडा का arts block, science block, commerce block and sports जगह different जगह रे हमें notice लगाए. Okay, that is about notice टा type हे गला परे लगेबा कथा. But how are you going to write a notice? What is the salient aspects? What is the technical aspect of writing a notice is what we are going to read now. It is meant to display information. Okay, the intention of the notice, it is a star mark. The intention of the notice is to display some information, some information, the tinta information jahale ho. Okay, information regarding an event. Okay, आमे गोटे नोटिस टे दौचे जे गोटे इवेंट हबाकू जाउछि. नो, नॉट ओनली दैट, गोटे इवेंट हे सारिछि हेबाकू जाउछि आ वर्तमान हबो. All three, past, present and future. The event can be in the present, it can be in the, it could have been in the past, it can be in the future. Okay, तीनिटा जाक जिनस पई आमे गोटे नोटिस से देई परिबा. But our concern over here is only of the present. आमे आगो गोडा कुआडे जिबानी, आमे खाली present विषय भाबिबा. Present विषय भाबी करी we will give our notice to our fellow student. First सेटा भाबी सारिबा, then we will think about the other things. एटा हला मु तुमको स्टार मार्क कली तबरे नंबर 2 पॉइंट इज एटा नंबर 1 पॉइंट नंबर 2 पॉइंट्स it should have all important details. It should have all important details. और important detail माने कौन मु गोटे कथा कहूँ शुण तुम मानकर गोटे फंक्शन करने को जाऊच स्पोर्ट्स ओके यू वांट टू होल्ड स्पोर्ट्स ऑन 30th of December तुम तो नोटिस दौच तुम कौन कह ना स्पोर्ट्स हम तुम मैंने आसब ओके आम कॉलेज गोटे स्पोर्ट्स हवा को जाऊँगी यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू कम हु इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू कम स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स बाहरिया लोक द चीफ गेस्ट क्या तुम नोटिस दौच सो दैट इज क्या तुम नोटिस दौच सेटा हूँ टू हुम इट्स addressed to the students, to your fellow students. Second thing is the date and time of the function. Let us see, we are giving an advertisement about a function, and this function, your time of the function. कौन है डेट एंड टाइम माने तुमर सकाळ 9टा रु संध्या 7टा पर्यंत स्पोर्ट्स हम संध्या 5टा बेले फंक्शन हम जो तुम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हम द गेस्ट चीफ गेस्ट विल कम एट 5 o'clock okay all this information should go into the notice or not. First thing is that is going to be we are going to celebrate our sports day on the 30th of September in the college playground. Number 1. Number 2, it will be held on 30th September and will start at 7 o'clock in the morning and will continue till 7 p.m. The chief guest will come at 5 p.m. for distribution of prizes and to also to celebrate the occasion with us. All these informations have to be there. Okay. So a notice should hold all this information without which it will be useless. So the last point of this is that which should come over here. Who is giving this notice? The signatory. Who is the signatory? The signatory is the secretary. Secretary or the president. President kaha president? College union ra president. College sports association ra secretary. Somebody will give this particular notice. So the signatory, the title of the signatory and his signature will be over here. Okay. So it is a very, very easy thing for you to remember how to write a notice. Remember this particular thing that when you are writing, तुमको generally question रे पचरा हबो नाही जे what are the salient aspects of a notice. जदि भी पचराए गला से रकम question, then you say that a notice is meant to display information to a particular audience. To a particular audience. Okay, about a particular event. This event might be a certificate distribution ceremony, sports ceremony, drama ceremony, कौन भी बहुत गुड़े जिनस हो पारे. The event can be a lot of the things. Okay, the second thing that you should not forget. बहुत समय आम देखीचु से डाकी देथिबे आमको तुम्हें 27 तारिख दिन आम घर को आसब और तुम्हें 27 तारिख दिन आसब XYZ जगह को आसब सेठी मो झीर बाहाघर किंतु देखला बेलू से XYZ जगटा नाटा ही लेखाई नथिबो नहला टाइम लेखाई नथिबो आमे जाके संध्या बेले पहुंचला बेलू सकाळू बाहागर सरी गलानी ओके नहीं बाहागर पे कहीं नोटिस दियंतिनी आई एम जस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जांपल सो इफ यू आर गिविंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ नोटिस देन this you should remember you should have all the important details भितरे हमर जाउची कहा को आमे फर्स्ट जिंस होची कहा को आमे लेखुचू टू द स्टूडेंट्स और टू द टीचर्स प्रिंसिपल हमको समको गोटे स्टूडेंट डू यू थिंक a student can give a notice to a teacher no it is not possible unless otherwise you are in a position बड़ पोजिशन रे तमे मो भी एज हेगलानी तमर भी एज हेगलानी तमे मिनिस्टर हो जाइछ कि कोन अछ आम कॉलेज को गोटे तुमे पठाउछ गोटे नोटिस इन दैट इवेंट यू कैन सेंड ए नोटिस टू अस अदरवाइज तमे जदि कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हिसाब रे तमरो संग all your friends you can send a notice to that particular group of your friends to whom it is addressed date and time and place sorry date time ए जगह गोटे छाड़ी गली place of the function okay so now that you know either I think that you can write an advertisement it is a very I mean of all the letter writing group writing a notice is very easy you can write it within 30-40 words even but if you remember all these details you are going to be correct last रे तुम signature दबो जे तुमे you are the secretary of the association or the president of the association को हिसाब रे you are writing this particular notice so you have to give your designation secretary के president के जहाँ बोले कि तुम designation एटी लिखिबो ता ऊपर तुमे signature पकेबो एठी गारडा दबा दरकार नाही ओके सेक्रेटरी बोले लिखिके ता ऊपर तुम सिग्नेचर ता दबो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट दैट ओके इट इज वी आर सिमुलेटिंग माने आमे गोटे एक्टिंग करू जे आमे रियल नोटिस गोटे कहा को गोटे दउचे बोलकरी सो इट हैज द फॉर्मेट हैज टू बी एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट ओके तुमको एमते चारि कुणिया गारा गोटे पकेवा दरकार नहीं चारि कुणिया गारा गोटे पकेई करी तुमे लिखिबो इट इज नॉट it is wrong you should not write it like that okay so if they ask you about the theory of an advertisement then of a notice then you write all these things if they ask you to write a notice to your classmates to your college mates to celebrate the sports event or something drama event or something like that then you go about adopt all these steps and write about it right so the second point more class ro second point ame gole ame first re likhile telegram then ame likhile notice a short notice okay thank you ame dita point ame sarile okay then we will move over to email लास्ट क्लास रे सार तमन को कहूले अबाउट ईमेल आउ इंटरेस्टिंग कथा तुम कौन जानी अबाउट ईमेल आमे आज लिखा ईमेल उपरे किंतु इंटरेस्टिंग जिनस अबाउट ईमेल इज दिस जे तमे ईमेल उपरे मते बेसी पढ़े पारिबो देन आई कैन टीच यू राइट because I am not that savvy where computer is concerned I am not that you are much better than us than me not us me तमने बेसी भल करी जानिछो how to write an email what is an email and how to write an email right I am very sure I am right so email is electronic mail okay so electronic mail लिखि सरला परे तमन को आउ कोन लिखिबा दरकार कहि परियो होते okay This is one sided. So you cannot tell me. ମୁଁ ସେଥିଲାଗି ଟିକେ ଖାତା ଦେଖିକି ଟିକେ କହିଦେଉଛି, don't mind it. So you have to have all this information in your fingertips. In your fingertips माने तम पाखरे available हबा, then you start writing the email. Okay. मो ईमेल केमिति लेखिबा पाई पड़िबो लेखिबा आगरु I have to give you some information about rules and regulations. काहेकि ना, because this may also come as a question जे email टा what is the advantage, disadvantage, rules, regulations of writing an email. Then writing an exact email तुमको एटा मध्य question रा आसी जाई पारे, so that will be a very crucial aspect. So when you are writing an email, then you have to know. First thing we have to know is advantage and disadvantage. तमे माने सब advantage विषय सब जानी थी बने की. What is the advantage? All of you know. What you may not know is the disadvantage. मु तुमको disadvantage कथाटा आगो कहि दउची जे disadvantage होची एया जे it is in the public domain. So there cannot be any secrecy. No secrecy can be maintained. तमे थोरे ईमेल रे लेखि दला परे एटा चली गला पब्लिक डोमेन को, आ पब्लिक डोमेन को थोरे चली गला परे माने तमे जदि गोटे किछि जिंस सिक्रेटली कहबा को चाहूजो, देन आउ से सिक्रेसी टा रहिबो नाही. सिक्रेसी हमें को जगह रे हमें मेंटेन करबा को चाहिमा. Number one thing is I would like to maintain secrecy. Supposing मु गोटे किछि गोटे गप बही लेखुची, right? Say गप बही विषय रे I don't want to give prior information to anyone. Somebody might steal my ideas. मु गोटे सिनेमा करबा को जाउची and somebody might steal my idea, may take away my actors and actresses. So at that time I would like to have communication with those people, but at the same time I want to maintain secrecy. So at that moment if I use email, there is a chance of it being leaked later on, not always, because you know what is the most important aspect of email is that you are writing it from one person and it goes to only one more person, or the persons you have allowed to surf your net. So advantage टा आमे वर्तमान advantage टा आगो टिके देखि दबा, right? First होची it saves time, space, money and saves time माने मु एठी मेल टाइप कली तमे संगे संग within a second you receive it. If you are willing to, तमे जदि न चाहिबो you need not look at it. Okay, मु तुमको फोन कले you are bound to receive the phone. मु तुमको टेलीग्राम पठैले you are bound to receive the telegram. काहे कि बाउंड ना से लोक ने कि तम घरे दब तम हाथ रे से पहुँचबो, तुम फिटे कि न पढ़ी पार ताको रिसीव करबा को पड़िबो. किंतु ईमेल टा तुम गोटे दिया हले तुमर जत्ते बेले दरकार अछि तुमे तुमर मेल फिटेइले तुमे तबाको पढ़ी पारिबो, अदरवाइज यू need not read it. But if you are interested to get in information, it can be given within a very short duration. Okay. Tapre setlagi time is saved and space is also saved. Space केमती save हला ना, supposing I am writing a letter, तो जानी छो गोटा आगरो novel लेखा होतला as letters. Okay, entire novel, मोटा novel गोटे will be written in the form of letters. ये ताकू लेटर पठाउछे से ताकू लेटर पठाउछे चलला पेज 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 किंतु एठी अल्प टाइम भितरे you can send it and space ର second meaning is it can go from India to America maybe. So that space also can be bridged because within a very short span of time the message can go from India to America. And the third point is money. When you are sending a mail from your personal PC, then at that time personal PC means PC. So supposing when you are sending a mail from your PC, then at that time you don't need any money. Only thing is that at the end of the month you have to pay some money to the holder of the तमर से BSNL हो Airtel हो जो कंपनी रू तुम्हें नेचर you are a borrower of their service तुमर सर्विस लेंडर जी हेतिबो ताको किछि पैसा दबा को पड़िबो जार प्राइस इज मच लेस देन सेंडिंग ए लेटर ओके even when we were sending letters and in envelopes it used to be very costly but with lesser price you can send a mail. Another thing is that in comparison to the things that we have already read about advertisement and all these things, there is no stress on word limit or types of words. तमे 5टा वर्ड लिखिबो 10टा वर्ड लिखिबो 100टा वर्ड लिखिबो there is absolutely no limit to that because tomorrow whatever is your necessity you can use that many words. Second thing is this that the type of language that you want to use there is no bar on that also. Supposing you are writing to your friend, you may write hi, you may not write hi, you may write hello, you just start, you can just start the mail just like that. And it is, if it is informal to your friend, to your father, mother, to your brother, sister, something like that, then you can be very informal in your language, choice of language, words. But if it is a formal mail, a mail that you are sending to your higher authority, then you have to be careful in the choice of your words. Otherwise, you have got the freedom of choice of words, the type of words that you use, you have to have control over that. And another thing is this, you don't have to write a letter. When you write a letter, do you keep a carbon copy of that, Xerox copy of that? No. But over here, you can keep a printout, print, printout. Okay, so you can keep a printout and keep it for future use. Supposing PC crash karigala or something like that. For that eventuality, if you go to the court and all these things, during that time you need a proof of your communication. So printout is also essential for you for those occasions. Sabu pai darkar nahi. You can have a printout also. Again, one more thing is this, that you have written the address and this address is wrong. The address you are sending the folder, you are sending the message to a friend. That friend's address is wrong and you have sent it. If you have already sent it and it is wrong, then it can bounce. It can bounce. At that time, you will try to write the correct answer. Kintu agaru kon houtila, you know that there was this message that came out in the newspaper that a letter written to from a mother to father or something like that, it reached after 56 years. A letter reached after 56 years, India में बाहर 56 years परे ता रिसीवर पाकर जाइके सेटा पहुँचेला मु पठेली जे पाइबो से 56 इयर्स पर पाइबो किंतु এই কেস রে what is the advantage is that if something wrong is written over here then it will bounce and you will find kahi bounce kala kon hala then you see the oh I have written a wrong address you correct it or try to find out the correct address and then you write it so that way you find that it is going to reach the right place within the right time. Okay, so now we are going to know the structure of writing an email. Okay, तमे कौन करियो फास्ट टू लिखिलो टू लिखी करी then you write the name and the address of the person तुमको लेटर रे पढ़ाई थिबो जे एप्लिकेशन रे लिखाई थिबो टू कहि कि कमा दबनी एठी मध्य कमा फमा किछि दरकार नै ओके तमे टू लिखिलो एंड देन तमे ईमेल एड्रेस ता लिखिबो सपोजिंग तमे लिखुछो जे ram@gmail.com okay so you have written तमे तुमको लखिया को पड़ी बनी जे राम शर्मा अमक समक एम सब किछि लिखिया दरकार नै ram@gmail.com तार मेल एड्रेस ता तमे जानितिबा दरकार सेटा होची गोटे कथा तुम सेटा लिखिलो लिखिते सरला परे देन यू हैव टू राइट ता माने एटा होची रिसिपिएंट okay it is the तुमको जब थ्योरी पढ़िबो तारे तुम रिसिपिएंट रो लिखिबो टू रिसिपिएंट तापर तुम एग्जांपल ता तापर दे दबो ओके तापर लिखिबो सीसी इफ आउ तापर दबो कोलन दबो ओके गोटे कैपिटल सी स्मॉल सी सीसी माने कोन कार्बन कॉपी यार माने होची कार्बन कॉपी माने कोन लाइक it is like kind of a Xerox in our youth we did not have I have already told you there was no Xerox machine there was no computer and all these things were not there so ame kon karuthulu when we used to type it तमर जमती कंप्यूटर से टाइप देखा गोटे जिस टाइपराइटर रे आम टाइप करूँ आ टाइप भितर गोटे कागज दीटा कागज चार्टा कागज देकर ता भितर गोटे कार्बन पेपर दौलू तो कार्बन कॉपी माने एक्जाक्ट कॉपी बोलिक बुझा जाऊला जोड़ा जेरक्स कॉपी भाया कार्बन कॉपीटा एक्जाक्ट कॉपी भाया बुझा जाऊला सो इफ यू वांट टू सेंड द सेम message to one more person then you write the name of that person also second recipient so second recipient ro address ta madhya email address ta madhya tame likhibo then another thing is blind carbon copy ए जगह बी कैपिटल एटी सी कैपिटल एटी बी कैपिटल आउ दुटा छोट एटी भी से कॉलन रही इट इज ब्लाइंड कार्बन कॉपी ओके ब्लाइंड कार्बन कॉपी माने ए जो दुई जन लोक दिस टू फर्स्ट टू पीपल विल नॉट नो हु एल्स हु आर द अदर पीपल हु हैव रिसीव्ड दिस सेम मैसेज to get my point I think that you know it तमे फास्ट रे कोन करलो ना गोटे चिठी गोटे जन को पाखो पठेलो नंबर 1 पर्सन तार कॉपीटा गोटे सेकंड लोक को पठेलो एई जगह गोटे सीसीबी न थाई भी पारे सीसीबी नथियो खाली बीसीसी हबो तमे आउ कहा को पठेबो सॉरी सीसी थिबा दरकार and then you send BCC तामने so CC and Ram Sharma these people will not know about BCC the blind carbon copy kaha kaha pakku au kaha kaha pakku the same message has gone, he will not come, they will not come to know about it. Okay, eja sari gala pore then you start writing your message. Okay, ता माने नुह जे तुम एमती गोटे गार काटिब सेठी थिबो स्पेस थिबो तुम ता धरे लिखिबो. तो फर्स्ट होची ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज तमरो कौन कौन जिनिसटा तुम लिखिया को चाहूच तुम सेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करिके लिखिबो. तुम सपोजिंग तुम काली परीक्षा दबा को जाउछ आ तम बापा को कहूछ जे बापा तुम अमुक दुकान को ऑर्डर कर दियो से मते जिनस गुडाक दहु. एक रे होची पेपर, दुई रे होची पेन, तीन रे होची बुक, फोर्थ रे होची इरेजर. तुम जेहेतु काली परीक्षा दबा को जाउछ पेन एंड इरेजर आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन बुक एंड पेपर. कारण बुक तुम पाखे ऑलरेडी अच्छी और पेपरटा तुमको परीक्षा बेले दरकार हम ना. यू नीड द पेन एंड इरेजर एंड द पेंसिल. सो तुम कहा पर कौ जिनसटा तुम लिखा को चाहूच यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट इन योर माइंड. इन योर माइंड यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट 1 2 3 4 करके ताकू ऑर्गेनाइज करिबो. देन यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द स्टाइल. स्टाइल माने कौन? फैशन. स्टाइल माने फैशन नुहे. स्टाइल माने तुम कौ स्टाइल रे तुम लिखा को जाउछ. ओके, तुम कौ स्टाइल रे लिखा को जाउछ माने कौन? फॉर्मल स्टाइल, इनफॉर्मल स्टाइल, कैजुअल स्टाइल, कौ टाइप स्टाइल लिखा को जाउछ. सपोजिंग तुम यू आर राइटिंग ए लेटर टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. ताकू जो तांकू लिखिबार लैंग्वेज यू नीड नॉट राइट टू योर फ्रेंड, टू योर ब्रदर, टू योर सिस्टर. So what kind of a style of language you want to use, you have to choose over here. Formal style, informal style, what kind of style, what kind of words you are going to use, you have to decide over here. एटा हला तुम एटा डिसीजन नब. तुम एटा लेटर लिखुच को माने ए जगह लिखि दउछि काटी देखि ऑर्गेनाइज आउ स्टाइल. ओके, ए दिया तो तमरो निजर रेफरेंस पई म लिखिली. ए जगह तुम कोन करिवो ना फर्स्ट रे ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखिबो. एक बार लिखिया दरकार नहीं तुमर ऑब्जेक्टिव. ऑब्जेक्टिव इज necessary items for examination. Okay, objective is necessity of items for examination, that is the objective. Okay, then you start writing from here. Okay, जितना लिखिया कथा तुम्हें लिखिबो. कौन कौन लिखिबो? Father sent the following things to me. Okay, send the following things to me बोली कही कि तुम गोटे लंबा लिस्ट पठेब. ओके, मोर जोता दरकार अच्छी, ड्रेस दरकार अच्छी, पैंट दरकार अच्छी, कोट दरकार अच्छी, अमुक दरकार अच्छी, समक दरकार अच्छी, एते लंबा गोटे लिस्ट पठेब जे जी पढ़ी थिबो ताकू विरक्त होई जिवो. सो दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एन अटैचमेंट ओवर हियर. ओके, अटैचमेंट करके सब बळे पठेबो. जदि लंबा हो जाउची तुम लेटरटा कंटेंट, इफ इट बिकम्स लॉन्ग देन यू मेक an attachment and you clip it with that. Okay, and then so I'll write a short email over here for your, as an example. As an example, I am writing an email letter over here for you. Okay, to Ram Sharma @gmail.com. Okay, CC Ram Sharma jagare Balbhadra Sharma. Okay, then you can write BCC. Okay, एमती कर तुम लिखि छाड़ तापर लिखब तुम सब्जेक्ट आरंभ कर send me 1 dozen pencil and pen for use during the examination. तापर कौन लिखिब जदि दरकार थिब बेस्ट विशेस लिखिब and write your name over here. Whatever might be your name, you can write over here. नले X बोली जदि लिखि परिबो ताले भी तुमे लिखि देई परिबो. Okay. So this is how you can go about writing a email. So mu bhabuchi email bishoyta tume samaste jani thibo, right? So it is not a very complicated thing, but what I am going to write now, mo bartaman taman ko joda kahiba ko jauchi, it will be slightly more complicated nai, slightly more matter tadere achi, complicated nai, kichi jisa nai. All these things are something that you already know and know more than me. What I am trying to do is trying to give you a systematic approach to all these things. And this particular thing is advertisement. Have any idea what is? Do you have an idea what is an advertisement? Of course you do. Sabu dino ame TV, computer, newspaper, sabuane itte advertisement dekuje. There is no problem for you to understand it. Okay. So we have to know, but in spite of that, we have to know certain rules and regulations about that. कारण आमे तो मु तो तुम ऑलरेडी कहि दैछि ना जे तमे जानिछ मु थाकू खाली सिस्टमैटिकली पकाउछि so that if theory comes you can write the theory, if practical advertisement तुमको जदि कहबे you can write about it. So the first thing we have to know the 4 P's of advertisement. The 4 P's. Okay. The 4 P's of advertisement. Okay. The first, product, price, packaging and promotion. These 4 things are very important to advertisement. When you think about the greatest writer of advertisement is Philip Kotler. If you go to Philip Kotler book, then you will find that the first thing that he writes is about the 4 P's of advertisement. And the 4 P are product, what product you want to advertise, Second thing is what is the price of that product, and third thing is how it is packaged, and fourth thing is how it is promoted. Okay, so when let us go to the promotion first. How to promote a particular thing? How will you promote a particular thing? तामाने तुम्हें advertise करिबो, right? तुम्हें advertise कले गोटे जिनसटे promote हबो. से promotion टा तुम्हें को जगह रे करि पारिबो. Okay, all of you know that. I'm not telling you anything extra. I'm only trying to tell you. Okay, trying to be very smart. I'm trying to tell you. The first thing about promotion is where to advertise. One is newspaper. Okay, तो समझ जानी चाहिए. The first thing कहीं कि मैं newspaper तुमको कहली कहीं कि newspaper is as old as time बुधवे माने around 17th century, mid 17th century रू newspaper आरंभ हो गला. Okay, so newspaper is one important aspect. Second thing is TV. Third thing is computer. Fourth thing is hoarding. होर्डिंग माने रास्ता रे जो गोटे बड़ बड़ जो करिके से जो पकांती सेटा होर्डिंग. तापरे तमे जते बड़े these are the some major advertisement places where you can advertise. If you are advertising in a newspaper then also there are certain rules. One is the box advertisement. गोटे कोन कर हाइतिबो advertisement मानकर कोन हाइतिबो ना गोटे होची बॉक्स गोटे क्लासिफाइड गोटे मु कहूची क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट केमती हेतिबो तमे देखितिबो संडे रे एमती लंबा लंबा गारो सब पड़िथिबो माने गारो गुडा को देखा माने रंग रे नथिबो से पेपर भीतर एमती हमरे लेखा आइतिबो तो लागुतो गारो चढ़ाइछि बोलकरी किंतु ता भीतर गोटे गोटे जागा रे से माने कोन करथिबे बॉक्स पैटर्न करके लिखिथिबे so that this box stands out. Your eyes will catch that advertisement first. To make it more important, you give this box advertisement. Otherwise, the others are classified. Classified advertisement advantage is this, that it goes as per column and number of words. Generally these are free, but if it is not free, then it will go for number of words that you are written. Sometimes when it becomes box, then it also becomes the size kete centimeter hella, that also you have to see. And if it is in a TV, then it becomes very colorful because then you get voice, looks, everything you can see. And it comes in 4 dimension, almost in 4 dimension it comes to you and catches your attention, and this particular thing becomes very important for you. So when you are advertising for something, then you are to write only a few words. हाँ, ये जो classified advertisement है कोई जगह रे लिखा हुए generally sale किंबा purchase. Sale purchase माने a house is for sale, a second hand car is for sale, say type of sale purchase विषय थिबो. So say रथाउची, and if you are writing in a computer, then computer कोची TV रे it becomes very prominent and eye catching, and that is why people are interested to give the advertisement in a TV more than in a newspaper. But what is the advantage of the newspaper is this, that in a newspaper this item becomes more widespread, more number of people read it more number of times in a day. Supposing you in a house there are 10 people will read the newspaper, and 10 times this advertise has been read, and after that you discuss. Then if it catches your attention, you can talk to your mother or to your son or somebody like that, and then you discuss. So that way newspaper has got a wider scope than other aspects. But in comparison to newspaper, TV also has an advantage of being more conspicuous, eye-catching because of its colorfulness. So this is about advertisement. I think that we have covered almost all the essential aspects of communicative language learning. Try to read it step by step and practice and practice and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Thank you. Do very well in your examination.